Good afternoon. I'm Josh Alexander, Vice President of Perkins Generator Sales and Service. Today, we're going to go over a few topics. The first topic that we're going to go over is when customers call in and want us to perform maintenance, do repairs, verify warranty. 9 times out of 10, customers have no idea of the equipment that they have, for one, but for two, we're going to show you how to correctly identify what equipment you do have. Here in front of us, we have a Generac Guardian 22 kilowatt air-cooled standby generator. 9 times out of 10, customers do not have keys. We always ask the customer, hey, get your keys. We're going to show you exactly step by step how to access the important information that we'll need at Perkins. There are 2 locks on your generator. As you notice, you can't lift it. Lift the rubber flap, stick the key in, counterclockwise quarter turn. Second lock on the right-hand side, stick the key in, quarter turn. Now this allows you to access your generator. You open your generator up, you'll have a control panel that's visible. However, this doesn't give us the information that we need. To access the information that we need, simply just raise up the panel, remove it away, set the panel down. This is all of the information us at Perkins are going to need in relation to your generator. Has all of the characteristics and information that this machine will need, including Wi-Fi information. But you'll see here we've got the model number, we've got the serial number, we have the date of the build. This is everything that we'll need to know exactly what Generac used to build this machine. With this information, we'll be able to give you a list of tasks that we'll be able to provide to you. This is how you would positively identify exactly which equipment you do have.